Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you had a restful sleep and you're ready to learn. Let's take out our worksheets and our pencils and let's get started. Okay, so today we are on week 4 under Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow is Thursday. Good job. So today we're going to write the long O words. Remember to use the silent E at the end. So let's go over our long vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Remember when we were in class, we did go over that when there's a vowel sound in a word that ends with E, the vowel sound is usually, it has its long sound. So let's go over it. We're on Wednesday 4. So we're going to look at these pictures. Bone, rose, cone, hose. Those are actually rhyming words. They all have the long O sound followed by a silent E. So this should be pretty easy for us. So let's first write bone. Let's do it together. You are going to write it in the space given right there, okay? So B, I hear a B. O, there goes that long sound O. What letter is N? Good job. With a silent E. Because if I don't have that E, even if it doesn't sound like anything, this word says bon. It would be a short O sound, but bon isn't a word. So I'm gonna put the silent E, and now it says bone. Alrighty. So let's go on to the next one. Rose. O. Rose. This says Roz. I'm going to add my silent E. Now it's a word. It says rose. So why don't you take some time and write these down, okay? Let's go on to K. Cone. K. O. N. Silent E. Cone. You guys are doing great. Keep going. What about hose? O, silent E. Hose. Great job, my friends. Take some time to write those down. You can press pause if you want. Good job. The next part says, I saw 3 green frogs in the pond. 2 red frogs joined them. How many frogs in total? Let's do that together. So grab a green and red crayon if you haven't already. And I'm going to use my blue marker because I don't have a green or red one on hand right now. So we're going to write the addition problem from the story that I just read. So I saw 3 green frogs. I'm going to not draw frogs, but I'll make circles, okay? So 3 green frogs. I'm going to put 3 up here. And then 2 red frogs join them. Ribbit, ribbit. So 2 red frogs are right there. 2. So 3 plus 2. We're going to write our addition sign equals how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Good job. I'm going to change the math problem just to make your guys' brain work a little bit still. Okay, so we have 5 right here, correct? So I'm going to write my 5. And then 2 wanted to go away. They didn't want to be with the other frogs anymore. So 5 subtracted 5 subtract 2 equals, so we had 5, 2 went away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Good job. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Good job, my friends. All right, now guess what we're gonna do? Mr. B wants to join us now, so we're gonna buzz into science. Woo! All right, my friends, I'm loving this little science class that we're having, and I hope you're enjoying it too. Today we're gonna talk about honey. I love honey, do you? Did you know that honey is used for many things? One of the things it's used for is medicines. So honey is very famous to ease coughs when you have a bad cough, or even allergies. There's certain honeys that produce antioxidants that are very healthy for you, and this is one of them. I get my honey at the farmer's market. This one is a darker honey, and it's really yummy. It's not sweet, too sweet, like this golden honey right here. So the honeybees make this golden sticky type of honey that usually everyone likes to eat. Isn't that beautiful? So let's see. Honeybees are the bees that make the sweet golden sticky honey we like to eat. These bees live in large groups called colonies with 3 different bees and each with a different job. So all of these bees here, some are different and they each have a different job that they do. There are thousands of bees that make the honey and take care of the hive. The older female workers gather the pollen and nectar from the flower to take back to the hives. So remember we talked about how the bee grabs the pollen from the flower. So the bee buzzes on here to the flower and it's collecting the pollen. Well, it also collects something that's called nectar that helps create the honey. So once their bellies get full, and trust me, they could carry a lot, they grab the pollen and the nectar and then they buzz on over to their honeycomb. And that's where they drop off the pollen and the nectar, and they start creating honey. Okay? That sounds like a lot of work, and I'm going to link a video for you to watch after this so you could really get the details of how much the honeybee works and how it makes the honey. So stay tuned for that, okay? So let's see. We are going to say goodbye. My little bee friend wants to say goodbye. This one doesn't have wings, but it has. Does anyone remember what the body parts are called? This is the head, the legs. How many legs does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The stinger that we talked about yesterday. Most have stripes like this. The thorax, the abdomen. Aren't bees just beautiful? I'm wondering if you guys seen a bee yet. So the other day I was washing dishes and I all of a sudden heard a buzzing sound right by my ear. And yes, it was a bee, and it was over my window that I have over my sink where I wash the dishes. And I looked up and I was like, oh no, and I had to shoo it outside. Because remember, we don't want to kill bees because they work a lot and we need them to keep working. But that was a crazy experience. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. I miss you all so, so much. This is not the same as being with you guys live and hearing all of you guys and hearing all my friends. I really miss that, and I hope we could do that one day again. All right, have a great day, my friends. Bye.